Hey everyone, Casey Watkins here. Today we're going to do a quick overview of Bitmex, and then we'll do some other videos in the next couple of days to go over more specifics. But since we got set up and logged in and created our account yesterday, let's go ahead and just take a look at the overall screen. So when we log in, it should take us straight to the Bitcoin. It's called XBT here. We got our order book, we have our chart, we have our market depth on both sides, our recent trades coming down through here, our positions that we have open, we have our closed positions, we have our active, we have our stops, our fills, and our order history. So let's take a look at, there's Bitcoin, Cardano, which is ADA, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, and the good old Ripple. So one of the tabs we have API. They do have an API, and they have all the WebSockets and all that fun stuff. They actually have a pretty good reference guide in here. So if you want to know what certain things are for, it's actually all pretty well documented in here. So auto deleveraging, exchange guide, fair market prices, profit loss guide. I mean, if you want to know how the numbers work, this will tell you all of it. Contracts and how they work for each coin. I mean, we can look at contracts for Litecoin, how the guide works, your account, so wallet balance, margin balance, available balance, deposits and withdrawals, your trading history, you have your deposit button, your withdrawal button, preferences button. I won't show you the My Account, but you could change your currency base. I leave it at the normal, dark or light theme. I prefer the dark. And then all the email notifications. So let's go back over here to trade. One thing I find pretty cool is they have like a main options window, and they have a basic is the dashboard we're using now, and then they have the advanced. So it moves everything around just a little bit. You get your wallet margin balances over here, open and closed, and then your instruments and indices, which I like to see all of this all at once. So this is kind of, normally I'll flop that one, that one. So I kind of like having the chart in the middle for some reason. Just pure preference. Over here, this is where you place your orders. You have your limit orders, your market orders. Then you can actually do stop market, stop, limit, trailing stop, take profit, limit, and take profit market. Our quantity, that's our contracts, how many contracts we're willing to do, and the price per contract. And we're going to long or short, or buy or sell, how much it's going to cost us, our position, so how many contracts, ROE, and then what is our leverage going to be. A 1x is basically 1 to 1, and then for Bitcoin they have 1 to 100. I don't know if I would ever go that high. 10 is probably about as high as I personally would go. The higher you go, the quicker your liquidation price is going to be at, or the lower it's going to be. Then it just has some contract details down here. So Bitmex, price 24-hour turnover. Back. 24-hour turnover, open interest, funding rate, and contract value. So 24-hour volume is 2 billion million thousand. I cannot count that high. Wow. So they have 24-hour turnover, and if you move your mouse over it, it changes. So depending upon what exactly you want to see. So that's the quick overview. To think of anything else that I need to cover in this quick overview. That's really it. We're going to go into some more in the next couple of videos to help you get started a little bit more. So on that note, below this video in the description, I will have a link to my referral code for Bitmex. Not saying you have to use it, but if you do, you get 10% off your trading fees for 6 months. So it helps you and it helps me. So it's a win-win for both of us if you do. If you don't, okay, don't. Not gonna hurt my feelings. Also, make sure you hit me up on the Discord. We are talking about trading and master nodes and staking, all the fun things in the crypto world. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to y'all later.